Okay, second Hasbar on Chanuka is Masechta Shabbos, second parak, Bameh Madlikin, Chaf Aleph Amid Bet. We go to the second Tanur Rabbanan. Where do you place your menorah? Tanur Rabbanan, the rabbis tell us, Ner Chanukah, mitzvah lahanicho al Pesach beso b'machutz. A person should place, it is a mitzvah to place your menorah at the doorway of your house, mibachutz, outside. So you should light the candles essentially outside by your doorway of your house. Im dar ba'aliyah. What if you live? Your doorway does not face the street, right? You're high up, right? Your door is not to the street, and b'dar aliyah, it's high up. Manicho mechalon. You put it in the window where hasmucha l'rishut harabim, facing the rishut harabim, next to smucha, next to the window that is facing the public. B'shas hasakana, in a time where it's dangerous, where Jews are being persecuted, manicha al shulchan v'dai. You should place it in the doorway on a table, in your doorway, in some doorway in the house. And the minhag is to place it opposite the mezuzah in the doorway. So you should light your candles inside the house in a time of persecution, opposite the mezuzah in the doorway. So this is when you walk through the doorway, you're surrounded by a mitzvah on both sides, the mezuzah on one side and the menorah on the other. Amar Rava says, Tzarech ne'acheret lishtamish la'oro. And Rava says that you should add an additional candle, ne'acheret, lishtamish, to use for light, because we're not allowed to have personal benefit from the lights of the Chanukah menorah, since they are a mitzvah, and mitzvot we're not supposed to have personal benefit from. So we have a shamash. This is where the mitzvah of shamash comes from Rava. So therefore, if you're in the room with Chanukah menorahs and you're lighting, you're reading and so on, remember the days before electricity was discovered, you don't want to, you want to see where you're walking, you should make sure you should have an additional light, and that additional light will be the light that you will use in that room. The Medura, what if you have torches in the house which already provide the light? Lo tzarech, you don't need a shamash. So today, right, if you light your candles in the house and you have electricity, you don't really need to light a shamash. The adam chashiv, if you're adam chashiv, you're an important person, you're a person already who has a medura, right? A lot of people obviously did not have torches in their house. So an adam chashiv means a person who could afford torches in his house, and therefore he would have plenty of light in the house besides the Chanukah menorah. Af al gav, even though he already has light in his house, in addition to the menorah, the ikka medura, and he has a medura, tzarech ne'acheres, he should still have a shamash. So that is our custom today, that we always have a shamash for the Chanukah menorah. If for some reason you didn't have a shamash, you didn't have enough candles for shamash, you would still fulfill your mitzvah of ner Chanukah, and you wouldn't have to worry. You just have to be careful not to have personal benefit from the lights of the Chanukah candles. You can look at them, you're supposed to look at them, you're supposed to enjoy the light in the sense of they should inspire you, but not use the light to read or to do any type of task with them.